Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to contact support on the Substack app. If you've ever needed help with your Substack account or have questions about subscriptions, first, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Once you are in the Settings section, scroll down until you find the Support option. Tap on Support and a chat window will open where you can communicate directly with the Substack support team. This allows you to ask questions, report issues, or get guidance on any feature within the app. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more useful tips.